mase slow approacha esikoleni because it just left school cool. Then nabanye abafana badlala amadayisi ngapha. Yema. Sibadlule amthathe ababingelele futhi ngizwe ukuthi okay uyabazi labantu. Mthathe and then he raped me on top of a school desk. Waqhubeka even though ngake ngisabalandelisa ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Angithi manje sibali 2 waba ni 6. Is 6 my cousin brother awumfundisi. So eyakhe iqale ngobo with the spanking like masekhishi like you would spank me ever. Nini mamkulambe undibekashana ahleli sithi ngqo yabo. Nene ngithi mhlambe sizohlangana eminyaka like angibamba amabele yaba.
Sacela nje uyi-introduce nokwazi upbringing yakho as usisi Nomkhosi.
Okay, igama lami Nomkhosi Dorine Msomi, known as Indlovukazi. Ngikhulela eSoweto, Orlando West, C3 ekhaya. Survived by umama, raised by umamkhulu stepfather. Owabami ngimazi late, even though she was not part and parcel in a family. Nomkhosi ukhule kumntana o hyper. I was hyper. Ma mood swings. Bengithanda ukudlala. Ngithanda makeup. Ngithanda ukumodla. Begithi nje mangifika endaweni to like Nomkhosi ukhonfi. Yeah, Nomkhosi like.
So usisi Nomkhosi ulithola kanjani igama leNdlovukazi? Indlovukazi.
Okay, Nomkhosi igama leNdlovukazi ulithole after izinto eziningi ezidlile kuNomkhosi. Nomkhosi gender-based violence activist, a motivational speaker, a rape survivor, being raped 8 times by 8 different people in Basio. I'm living with HIV for 25 years. I have 2 kids and I'm a special needs. Being arrested 3 times but not convicted. I'm a widow, I'm unemployed, I've been diagnosed with trapezius and I've attempted to suicide 11 times. So, ngihlala phansi ngicabanga ngathi no. Kuko konke lokho engibhalile, it means ukuthi khona into ekumele ngiyifunde from kimi. I can't always ngiba nezinto ezinje. I would even say I'm cursed at some point. But ukuhlala kwami phansi ngayenza introspection. That is where ngibona yonke into ukuthi no. It means ukuthi I have to ukuthi ngifundise abanye abantu because ngendlela bengiyiyo if nabanye abantu bangafana njengalo yamuntu enganguye umhlaba ngeke uzolunga at all. That is why seqhamuka igama elithi Indlovukazi. Angifunanga ukulibiza nge-English ngoqueen, no. Ngadecide ukuthi ithi ngilibize ngokuthi Indlovukazi. Okay, eyokuqala kwakune concert esikoleni. So sasilanda isketch. So isikole ngangifunda kuso nasekhaya besingefo kude kakhulu. So after doing a sketch, decided no umngane ukuthi asihambise impahla ekhaya and then sizombuyela esikoleni. Fine, sahambisa impahla. Mase sibuya, we met this guy igama lakhe bekusibusiso. Usibusiso bekane girlfriend esikoleni and usibusiso bekuyi force yama gangsters. So usibusiso everyone benamsaba esikoleni. Then usibusiso ambize ngafreezer, just like ngafreezer ukuthi yo sihlangana nomuntu oso ngoba siyamazi. Then umngane wami uthe manje ufuna ukukhuluma wathi ngathi no ungakhuluma imekela. Hamba. Bamthatha usibusiso wamdonsa asajump isporo, masijump isporo kunesikolo. Bamthatha wayomfaka esikoleni. Asifika esikoleni the moment esachama ngazama ukugijima. By that time manje sengincane futhi ngomzimba ngazama ukugijima. So ngahlangana nomama lo wayefake insipho yabo ngibalekile kuye. Then umama lo wathi hayi ungazozenza ngathi umuntu oyindoda ngumasi. Sibusiso then Timmy Kritikama, he came and grabbed me. Mase slows approacha esikoleni because he just left school cool. Then nabanye abafana badlala amadayisi ngaphandle. Dema. Sibadlule amthathe ababingelele futhi ngizwe ukuthi okay uyabazi labantu. Mthathe and then he raped me on top of a school desk. So inkondo wami uthi what if nalaba they want to come but nathi sayifuna le nto of the digital. As angembeze, then I just went home and pretended like everything is well. Even Ukeli ngihamba naye. Until today, she doesn't even know this story less.
Well, now how many years in this careless?
If I'm not mistaken, I was 15, 16.
And usibusiso makuthatha uthini ku?
Susumake ngithatha uthi kimi dala ngokushena wena ufuna ungiqoma. And by that time une-girlfriend eclassini. Yabo. Uthi kudala ngokushena angifuni ukuqoma. Ithi mina awususisi angifuni ukuqoma kanjani because une-girlfriend uStella. Yabo. And uStella naye bekuyila amantombazane yabona amantombazane ashaya nayo la. And especially when it comes to usibusiso ayingekho into ebeyima phambi kaStella so ntayi angifuni mina ukushaya bese ngishaya uStella ngibe namaflu ayi ekubeni ngingene ngazi vele ukuthi wona mina muntu.
So uyofika ekhaya wow khona umuntu wamthatha.
Angifika ekhaya la ngikucela umuntu mamkhuluma ngithume estoro mahamba estoro abuya ne-contract engayinika umamkhulu wami. Then I went to take a bath. Ahamba ngayogeza. And the moment ngizogeza I felt like ngathi ngidulile. Ngizigwaya yabo ukuthi ngathi ngasuka lo muntu lo okhona la kimi because now njengoba ngihleli ebhavini ngigeza imemory ibuyela emove ukuthi ish kambe lo muntu ongenze 1 2 3. So I acted like everything is normal to me.
So into ebamela ukuthi ungaxoxani nomuntu ngoba akekho umuntu omthembayo ekhaya.
Into eyenza ukuthi ngingaxoxeli umuntu it was out of fear. Nami ngaleso sikhathi leso I couldn't even understand ukuthi bikayenza ini because igama le rape bengasigama simple ukuthuliswa. Uyabona. So ngangithukile ngazi futhi ukuthi yes lo yamfana ongilalile but angiyazi ukuthi lento ayenzile ngokuthi ibizwa ngokuthi yabona. And I felt like futhi ukuthi why kumele ngixoxe lo muntu engizothi mangithi ngiyamtshela uzomthatha kanjani. And my main concern it was like ukuthi inyanga mayiphelile I have to ukuthi ngema-period and that's it. So mangazi ngifike leso sikhathi leso ngema-period it's like no I'm fine. And I went ema-period yabo trust ukuthi yonke into idlulile. And this thing yenzeke Saturday. Monday mangesikoleni the whole school knew. The whole school knew. But bazi another version. Mangifika mina esikoleni ngiziyela eklasini yabona ngibona abantu nje bayakhuluma. Then until Stella zazike yeah wena dala ngibona ukuthi boyfriend yami uyayifona yabona and umsejusile into antshena yona le ukuthi yabona. So I couldn't even explain further the way like nginamahloni ngakhona ukuthi everyone knows but abazi the real story. So ukuze bayistop ukuyikhuluma kwakunomember yamember wayishaya. So I just told them ukuthi you know what if niyacontinue nale nkulumo yenu uzohamba ngitshela umember baso so that yonke into izophela. And then it stopped lapho. Yahamba iminyaka ngahlangana noSibusiso. After some years ngihlangana noSibusiso ngihamba nemfana engizwana naye bayabingelela lakhe uyabona labantu bayasana angibingelele ne amphendula mase sihamba noguy lo athi kimi, why umjita kubingelana ngithi because he wants to ring to me and why thatha light yabo. So asibusisa mina azayenza le nto le. Ngambona nje waba nje le case rape na after ngibona ngiphinda futhi ngambona. Incident yesibili, it was the time kungena ama-TV lakudala anescope. So kungena ama-TV, izinto ezazinama-TV bezibandwa. So next door yasekhaya they bought a TV. Then I wanted always ukuthi ngihambe ngihlale ngibhekele nakhona i-TV. Then lokhu ngihlala ngiyakhona ngibhekele i-TV. Then ntambama masihleli, would be like sihleli esofeni, it will be me phakathi umfana oyi-1 ngapha. So this other one hamba yona ndingoku, like yabo simbathe nje sinabantwana mos yabo simbathe. So masimbatha he would be like abeke isandla sakhe like phezu kwami, ne masihleli nje usibhekele the-TV and then he would be like removing inyawo zami uthi isihlukane. And this one uzwa everything because the moment athi angithi uyathasheka ngithi lo fine, then lo bekangifake mina ngaphansi. So it's called rape because mina naye azange size sivume naye. Yes. And this guy umama bekamthatha njengomntanakhe, they were so close. Namanye ngibhekile nje njengobhuti ubhuti yabona. And make khona kubo evakashini akasahlali khona, make khona evakashini ekhaya bebezwa mama ukuthi hey uvusi ukhona. Oh okay, even noma ngimbona I will smile naye, vusi kunjani yabona. But isikhathi sithile sibasilokhu sihamba. Now something came back to me ukuthi lo muntu wayekwenza so yabona. Ngaqala ngachange towards him, even noma ngizwe voice yakhe bengiba irritated until baqala i-COVID. Ngiyamuzwa uyakhuluma ko angiqeda ukuvuka
Senibadala manje.
sesibadala qeda ukuvuka ngiyamuzwa. Then something just said to him, ambombuza hayi kunjani ngaphi futhi angingelanga ngegate because kunegate engasemuva nenaphambili ngene phambili. Hayi kunjani shapa ngicela sixoxe yabona, nje sixoxe mina nawe sithu. Athi hayi wozama siye ngasemuva ngaphandle. Hayi kunjani shapa ngithi yazi ngiyakhumbula yonke into ongenza yona, and it was not a once off. Njalo besimahleni sibhekile i-TV bongifake mina naphansi. And he responded ngokuthi yini ufunani ukunike ihug ufuna yithi angifuna hug yakhe angifuna next mina bengifuna ukutshela kuphela ukuthi I remember everything. Kanti my younger brother ungaphandle usimamele. So manje silobu sikhuluma nobusi ngizwe ukuthi uyangishayika manje.
Of
Yo ngene ngivula igate leli ngene athi kimi yenze njani ngiza nabantu bakithi ngithi welcome iza na mangena umntana sekhaya mbuze ke ngithi yes singene sihlale kuze uvusi kuze usisithembi kuze uHarbet liqanda indaba. I couldn't even sit. Shuthi bengikhuluma ngisukuma ngiba busy because bengizwe ukuthi ngiyadineka. And then he just said ngathi ngimkhombe ngisibhamu ngiyamvumisa ngenkani ngathi but ayi-3 abantu abasi, it's me, it's you, it's your cousin brother. 3. And cousin brother couldn't talk because lo bengathi uyiboss. And cousin brother he was there ngoba encenye indawo yokuhlala so that azofunda isikolo. Then question abakhona ke no make kwenza lento lena besibuphi because ekhaya behlala kunabantu yabona. tried to explain, and kuze kube negate, it was because of the communication that we had now, ne? So ngathi, you know what, mina as from today anengisangena ngapha next door, and angisho ukuthi abantu bala ekhaya ningabakhulumisi or ini, but for me it's a stop. Angisho ukuthi believeni, angisho ukuthi believani mina, but mina nginitshela into eyenzakele. That was it. Then after some time, cousin brother abe is just ignored him. How? By that time, cousin brother, I was involved now. Even though we're not intimate, but we're involved. I'm going to say, I'm like, I get in another door, maybe sebamtshelile istory ukuthi ke kwaba nemeeting. Then mangihamba ngesitoro ambisi athi why ngikubulisa ungangiphenduli, ngithi angibonanga ukuthi ayikumele ngikuphendule. Athi yini what happened, ngimtshele ngestory. Net no, into so. And then he just said to me, akayazi yonke le nto, azange bambisi bambusi. And usakhumbula naye, yes, usakhumbula naye ukuthi yini ebeyishala yenzeka. Yabo uthi kimi noma inkosi, after isikhathi eside kangaka kana ukhuluma lento. Yabo ngithi ezinye izinto zenza isense kimi after isikhathi eside. Yabo as much as bekathi makezile uvusi bengiya ngimhage, all those things, but immediately myself remember all of this. Ngaba yabo even noma engena kubo unalento ukuthi makengena akhulumele phezulu ahleke, like afune ngimuze ukuthi ukhona, leyo beyi-irritate. But sengenzani make khona, I make sure ukuthi ngiyahamba ngesitolo, ayinto kwizilanga kubo uhleli ngaphandle. Ngathi mangibuya esitolo ngibathola bemile beyi-3 engibulisile. Athina nampela nakhe anginaso isikhathi sakho, mina nawe ayikho into ekumele siyikhulume nokubingelelana. I don't want to give you leyo opportunity leyo yokuthi kuze kube khona leyo relationship nyana yobumakhelwane, you know that. So ngithi bayaya kubo bayababingelela, but for me even though angasahlali khona, but for me and the communication sengilekile, yabona akusekho leya communication le.
So yena akazayibona into yabo nento ayenza nabantu bakubo nabo nawasayita.
No, ayikho into wrong ayiboni ayenzile. As much as njengoba ngisho nithi uthe ngathi ngimkhombe ngesibhamu, ngathi ngiyamvumisa ngenkani ukuthi ufuna ukuthi lento yenze.
Wahlasha uthi yena nento ubeyenza ngokuthanda nawe.
Shuthi buya kanjani?
Good. Waqhubeka sisi wami uphinde wenze ubunye futhi.
Yo. Yazi kuthiwa kuyashaywa noma kufika. Waqhubeka. Even though ngale ngisabalandelisa ngaleyo ndlela leyo, angithi manje sibale true. Baba ni 6. Is 6 my cousin brother awumfundisi wase-Salvation Army. Bekahlala eDurban, so makeze ekhaya bekeza because bekunama-function ayako, so makeze his site bekungekho la ahlala khona. Then he would come, awuvulelwa yimi futhi igate ebusuku, would come through the gate angene, yabo. So eyakhe iqale with the spanking, like masekhishi, like he would spank me, yabo. Mamkurambe undibekashana ahlele sitting room, yabo. Nene lethi mhlambe sizohlangana emnyango, like ambamba mabele.
Nenda how many years ngaso sikhathi?
Yo. Half date. Hey. Can be sing that accent of 49 manje. before ngibane firstborn, ngithole firstborn ngina 27 years. Before ngibane firstborn, he would spank me zonke lezo zinto lezo until to a point yokuthi bekathi mangabe ezoqhamuka bekuba nalento yokuthi eish sengiyazi ukuthi make qhamuka this is going to happen. You understand? Fine. Mangikhuluma ke hamba emsebenzini ngisala naye lo muntu. Make preparela ukugeza uzophuma ambathe ithawula ne. Is either ungithola ekitchen or ungithola e-sitting room. I will just come and grab me. Ngiswa kuphi kule kamera ekulala umuntu nomkhulu. He would treat me lapho eqeda hamba yogeza. Qeda aphume ayina ayakhona.
Sure.
No, not saying anything. And before ashada, he was doing zonke lezi. So bekangakwazi ukuthatha ubufundisa nalapho nonkosikazi. Though then it, how can I put it? Arrange marriage. Yabona kunala masonto labafubonela ukuthi ayilo ya mawufunela umuntu, ne? Bashada. Not white wedding. Then mangiwa kabogel. Wayiwa kabogel babekelwe itafula. That was my first time ngibona ugel, ne? So mangiya ngoba bingenele. I had this thing ukuthi ngathi ngakhuluma. Don't forget ukuthi abantu besonda ngithi uthi it was me no my younger brother. I wanted to say something, ne? Me didn't do it. Who's going to believe me, Marala? And njengoba behleli laphayana, I'm like, mara nezinto ngenza zona izinto kumele uzenze umfazi wakho or girlfriend yakho, but you decided to zenzeke. Now ushada kanjani ukuthi ungenza lezinto lezi ungenza zona. And uXolani, he was close to mamkhulwana. Mamkhulwana bengekho into bongamtshela yona noXolani. A negative, you wouldn't. Fine. It continued, and that time, eseka nonkosikazi, nama girlfriends futhi, akanje. If I'm not mistaken, I was invited abanye bomama Springs. I went there. Mangisho restore some, and one of the ladies who sold the Salvation app. Then masesingaphandla ngibuza ukuthi mawuthi uXolani khuluma uXolani. I said to uXolani. Then she's like, do you know uXolani before ashada ukuthi mina noXolani ngesizwana? Nithi, you know what? It's a journey planned by uNkulunkulu. Uhambe umtshela. Definitely sisters wamtshela. Mangifike ekhaya futhi ngiyabatshela ngithi no, la bengekho ngihlangane nomuntu so. And was uXolani. Fine. So receive call. Mntana sekhaya phone. uXolani ucela ukuthi sibe meeting. I said, I don't want to see uXolani me. No, mama said the very same thing. Aqhubeka-ke nalezi zinto engizenzayo, ngaqhubeka nezinto engizenzayo. And some of abafundisi la sonta khona banokungi-invite. So always mangihlala ngikhuluma, I would say one of you obefundisi, I wouldn't mention igama likaXolani by that time. So ngiyabona ukuthi no, this thing escalate manje. Wacela meeting futhi. Then asekhaya still ukuthi uXolani ngicela meeting. And you know what? Let me go my social worker, psychologist. Ngiyokhuluma nabo kuqala. When then ngakhuluma nabo. But he always said to funa closure. This is the closure now. Yabona. Fine. Si-arrange with him. Asibambele ekhaya mama makafuna ukumbona. Sibambela kwenye relative yasekhaya. I went there. It was me, uXolani, abantwana basekhaya boyi-2. Okay. I couldn't even ngimbingelela nokumbingelela. Like feeling sad. Down nomkhosi ngakhuluma thina sizona me.
Wena bayasontsana.
Yes, because the 11th time when I attempted suicide, that is when ngikhulume sonke isitori ukuthi no, anazi nini izinto ezizamvelela. We understand. That is where singisho ukuthi ngarapiwa, then after sembuye esibhedlela we sit down and ngibatshela ukuthi what happened. So that is how bazile. Then xolane aqale ke hayi in 30 years service yala ngisebenza khona. Uma ufuna ukuhamba e-police station uvula i-case, you are allowed. Zonke lezi zinto ozikhulumayo angizazi, ngizwa ngapha nanga. I'm not saying anything. Then I was given a chance. Namkhosi ngakhuluma ngithi, number 1, uzokhuluma i-case sensitive, you come and go. Oh, and he said umfazi wakhe uyazi but akazi ukuthi uze kwi-meeting. Ngithi abekho abantu bongabacela to accompany you bazokumamelisisa kunokuthi uze uyi-1. Number 2, uzela le statement sokuthi una 30 years services abufundisi. Ngizela ne statement sokuthi ngahamba ngiyovula i-case. If bengifuna ukwenza konke lokho ngabe kudala ngakwenza, but I'm going to punish you ngendlela ongayicabanga. Ngiyabona njengoba ulobu uzwa ngihamba ngikhuluma abantu bekutshela, that's my punishment to you. Now we just unlock omunye umnyango bengazi ukuthi khona for me ukuthi mangihambe endaweni to mention your name. Wena mawufuna ukuhamba uyovula i-case, you can go and open a case. That's how I'm going to punish you, because now I need lento le into eyenzeka kudala. I'm avoiding indaba zokuthi amaphoyisa azobuza. They can ask amanye ama-question angekho necessary, and the trauma ongithathile futhi wangibuyisela kuyo, it's unbearable. Ngiyabona manje njengoba ngihleli nawe ibhekile, so my mind is playing tricks on me. Fine. Then laba bathi it is phubise ngaphandle, maybe khona into endifuna ukuzikhuluma nayo. Bathe ngikhona drink babeka ama-glass. Thelwe ni-cold drink angiyathula ngiyabaphela ngithi kube bebazi ukuthi le glass nama-cold drink it's a weapon. Ngabe yabona ubhizi yakhuluma ngaye Nkosi, angikhumbuli next uthakhumbuli next. Yazi ngivele ngisukume ngithatha iglass ngithele nge-cold drink. Like manje ngithela so iglass ngilibambile ne. And I felt ukuthi ngathi ngathatha le glass ngimshaye ngale ebusweni. Uzahamba yongibophisa. Nizoba i-assault GBH. And lokho beku-possible so that bekazi ukuthi uma ngihamba ngiyoboshwa angeke ngisaphinde ngithole i-chance yokuthi ngihambe ngikhuluma. Then 35 duko sengisolile. Labo mabebuya bamthola uyazithintela. Hawu yini man? Guys, thele nge-cold drink lona. Ngizongidila. Meeting yenza qhubeka or iphelile because angiyibona into engihlalelelana bafowethu. Ningabantwana bakithi. Yes, uBruti did. We understand. I mean, it's family. Even though I don't know his history, which is sisokana kanjani noPoland, but ikhona nje history. Ngithi ukuyikhuluma kwakhe, it was not ukuthi manje masiphuma la so hamba sikhuluma sithi ini. Khona ezinye izinto ezigcilwa ama-families. We understand. Namasisuka la besosuka la silise sitshela uma ukuthi no lapha yena sambe kanje. We understand. So he denied everything. At okay, fine, good. I just grabbed my bag, ngaphuma, ngikhipha ngaphandle. Engingama-ibheka ngiyambona phandle. Sekuvuka uNomkhosi-ke manje. Angithi already ngimconfronta uNdlovukazi sekekhona. Sekuvuka uNomkhosi. uNomkhosi uthi, smash the car. Yabo, uNdlovukazi athi no, awukwazi, no. After yonke le journey obhizo lokuyihamba, immediately wayenza something leya moto. Everything oyenzile, it's going down the drain. That was the last time ngimbona. And he's not far away nala ngihlala khona. I remember ngibuye ngibona ngayibona imoto yakhe, ngayibona noma ngabe 200 labo mama abasonta naye. And I asked him, Taibo, what is so that? Yes, he's here at Joburg. Le moto njengoba uyibonile lapha esontweni usebenza khona lapha kunena so.